Hi guys, this is Noelle Talks. I'm coming to you today with another video, a review of the plug-in safe. I am here every Monday. I used to be here Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. However, the editing got a little bit too much for me. So now I'm coming on every Monday, bringing you the generalities of life. Don't know if generalities is a real word. However, it's a word I like to use. Okay, so today I'll be doing a review of the plug-in safe. Great product. I am not sponsored. I brought this product off the Home Shopping Network one night, and it's like an instant burglar alarm that you can take anywhere with you. I will primarily be using this when I travel, because when you stay in hotel rooms, just because you got the key from the desk doesn't mean someone else doesn't have the key. The maids have the key, the maintenance have the key, and so you just want to be safe when you travel. You can even use this item at home. It's a great product. I will be opening it and using it. I watched a demonstration on Home Shopping Network. I have already did a demonstration here at home, but I'm going to do one for you guys. This product is only $40. It comes also with the alarm. So let me take it out and show you exactly what it is. Plug-in safe. Here's the product. So what this is that you plug it in. And as soon as you plug it in, it takes an entire radius of wherever you are. It doesn't matter if you're in a 5,000 square foot building or place or room, 1,000 square. It takes a radius of everything in the room. So if anyone jiggles the doorknob, if anyone taps on the window, if anyone bumps into the door, this alarm will go off. If you are asleep, it will wake you up to let you know to be prepared. Something is going on. So anyway, I'm not going to plug it in the wall because I don't feel like moving this webcam around with me. However, I do have an extension cord I'm going to plug it into. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot one product. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I had to get a 3-prong socket because this has a 3-prong outlet on it. I wasn't realizing it did. So I'm going to plug it in here. And then I'm going to put the alarm on that I purchased separately. You don't have to use an alarm. You can plug your lights into this. You can plug your radio into this. Whatever you want to plug in this to alert you and make a noise or a sound, you can plug into it. Okay, so you're going to plug the adapter in here, or whatever you're going to be using that's going to alert you. I'm plugging mine up in an extension cord for demonstration purpose, but you plug this into the wall. And then I'm going to turn it on because I have a wall switch on my wall that operates the lights on this side of the house. So I'm going to turn this on now. Put this in the chair. And once I turn it on, this little red button is going to come on, and it's going to start surveying the area and taking note of how much perimeter it's going to be guarding. 5,000 feet, 2,000 feet, 100 feet. Okay, I'm going to turn it on now. See a red light flash. And it's going to take 30 seconds to survey the diameter of the property of the room that it's going to be protecting. And I'm going to open the door, and you're going to hear it go off. Trying to give it adequate 20. They say 30 seconds, but it could take like 40 seconds, 50 seconds. It could take a minute. I think it should be set right now. I don't have to do this again. Okay. I shut the door and turned it off. So again, I am doing a review on the plug and play, which I purchased from Home Depot. I go there so much. Home Shopping Network. It was $39. It's a good defense if you are traveling and you stay in different hotel rooms, or if you're in a room and you don't want people to come in because you sleep. I don't know if I would really count on this as a home security device, because I do have a regular burglar alarm. But this is just something added protection. So you have to protect yourself everywhere you go. So once again, I have just reviewed the plug and play. It comes with the plug and play. Then it comes with this little adapter here on it. which is the alarm. However, you can plug your lights in, radio, record player, whatever you want to plug in, so that when someone comes in the room, it will alert you. It does have a radius dial, a dial on here, an infrared. I'm not an infrared dial, but a dial that lets you know. It's like a dial. If you turn it up high, then it's at full capacity working. Any little slight ajar of a window, a door, this thing is going off. But if you're going to turn it on and go to sleep, and you're in your room and you don't want to be woken up every time you move, you're going to dial this little dial down. But you'll learn how to adjust it to your liking when you get it. So once again, this is Plug and Play. I am Noelle Talks. I am here every Monday bringing you the generalities of life. Don't know if generalities is a real word. However, it's a word I like to use. Plug and Play review. Great product. Once again, I am not sponsored. You can find this on the Home Shopping Network site, hsn.com. And remember to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And next to the little subscribe button, there is a little bell that you click. And if you click that bell once you subscribe, every time I upload a video, you get a notification. So once again, thank you for joining me. I am Noelle Talks. Have a nice day.